So we've had a number of different conversations with regards to adaptability and setting goals. And I want you to understand something. In order to make those things a reality, you also have to have resilience and persevere, okay? Resilience is about the capacity to recover quickly, whereas though perseverance is about being steadfast despite difficulties, okay? So how do you harness the two? You have to understand that the nature of challenges, right? Difficulties are going to be a part of our lives, right? But they're temporary. And the power of persistence is going to be, regardless of how hard something may be, you're going to continue to take the steps and the efforts forward. So an example of that would be Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison is quoted as saying, I did not fail. I just found out 10,000 ways that it wouldn't work, right? So as you continue to take the steps towards the journey that you have, you want to maintain a positive perspective, okay? Be real, but a positive perspective. You want to also make sure that as you continue through the journey, you highlight those wins and those small successes that come your way, okay? Because when you think about the term commitment means doing the thing that you said you would do way after the feeling that you said it in has left you. So apply some of these topics, apply some of these ideas, and continue to move yourself towards your goals. And shoot a comment and let us know exactly how things have been going for you.